Hello everyone, welcome to Rkdecor channel. In this video we will watch round shape design
Decorating with
ideas.
round shape can add a scene of harmony, balance and flow to your living space. Here are some creative round shape home decoration ideas. Circular mirror, wall mirror. Large circular mirrors makes excellent focal point on wall and help create a lines of more space and light. Round rugs. A circular rug can soften the edge of room and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Place in it under a coffee table and an entryway. Round wall shelves. Install circular shelves to display small decorative items, plant or books. They added an interesting design element of the wall. Round coffee tables. Replace your standard rectangular coffee table with the round one to give your living room a fresh and unique look. Circular artwork hanging. Circular painting or prints introduce a playful and artistic touch of your walls. Round throw pillows. Incorporate round shaped throw pillows in your sofas or bed for delightful visual contrast. Round dining table. Swap out of your rectangular dining table for the round ones, promoting better conversation and more intimate dining experience. Circular light fixture. Install a panel light or chandelier with round shape to add a touch of elegance to your room. Round planters. Planters with round shape bring a modern and style touch in your indoor or outdoor garden. Circular staircase. If you have multi-story home, consider a circular staircase designed to make striking architectural statement. Round waves. Display flowers or greenery in round waves to add a natural and organic touch of your space. Circular clocks. Round or hang a round clock on your wall to keep time while adding a decorative element. Circular furniture. Look for round sofas, armchairs and ottomans to often the lines of your furniture pieces. Round candles. Use round shaped candles in different sizes and colors to create cozy and relaxing imbalance. Circular patterns. Incorporate round patterns in your home decorative items to appealing design. If you like my ideas, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.